Y'all, I don't know if I'll ever go to a beautician again.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla. And of course, this is another hair cutting video. Y'all, now I know the name for it. It's a butterfly cut, a butterfly layer, whatever you want to call it. That is what I give myself. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, how I got these little luscious layers, and I cut a good 6 inches off my hair. Not even gonna hold you. If you want to see that, of course, keep watching. Yeah, before we get into the video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love new subscribers. I love building my community. Now let's get into the video. All right, hey y'all. So this is what we're currently working with. Oh, y'all, look how long. It's very long, and I'm kind of looking at it now like, dang, I probably shouldn't, but I really do want really like bombshell layers. So this is it. I'm thinking about cutting it here. I know it looks like a lot, but it really, I don't know how many inches is that. How long is my phone? It's a little bit longer than the length of my phone. So yeah, let's get into it. We're doing the butterfly cut today. I've done it before on my page. If you want to go take a look at that, you can. Let's try it out. Let's do it. I'm gonna speed up most of this video. I'm gonna show you how I do the parts, but then the cutting process and everything, I'm probably gonna speed up unless I'm talking, just so like we get through it, babe. Okay? Okay. Okay, all you're really gonna do is like 3 hair bows, right? So, oh, I need to wet my hair. Let me wet my hair first. All right, y'all, now that my hair is wet, I'm just gonna comb it out. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but look how dead the ends are. I haven't cut my hair this short in a long time, so hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna blow it out too. You can see how it's gonna look in a blowout, like how I normally wear it at the end. Now, for parting. So I'm gonna part it in 3 different ways. I'm gonna start right behind my ear and then do a rainbow up. Right from there, I'm gonna brush it forward. For me, I never really do it perfect because layers are really never perfect, so make it as flat as possible. Another rainbow, straight to the back. So in one more, and again bring it to the front.
Now I'm at your solid, that means no permission, no missionary getting boring. Switch positions, hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no.
This part is just the most tedious. Everything else after is super quick. I'm just putting a ponytail too. It shouldn't be that difficult. Y'all, I'm not a beautician, so if you're following this or watching this because you think I am, baby, I am not. So the first thing is you're gonna lay this thing flat, right? And then you're gonna cut as short as you really want. I'm gonna start here, I think. So let's do it. Oh, got my tummies out.
Like this, what I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this.
So it should be straight across, and I'm gonna point cut. So, oh, that one's done, and we're not finished cutting. So, but this one, the first little layer is done. Kinda nervous, because I see some amount of hair, but let's keep on. So we're gonna take our next piece, fill that in that bad boy out. And they're all done, let's take them all out. No, I'm gonna have to touch up stuff, like that's not short. Ow, I just scratched it. Okay. Oh my god, it's so short. All right, so now to touch stuff up. Bro, like your hair so long, why are you cutting it? Y'all, it is just hair. Hair is hair, and hair will grow back. Let's see. My hair wasn't feeling healthy either, and I'm trying to go on like a curly journey, and so it just, all that weight and all that damage, it was not doing anything for me, like nothing. Okay, this is good as it's gonna get. Pardon my hair halfway down. I really am a beautician in this mug. I'm literally just gonna point cut the bottom because I want it. So it's pretty even. I did cut like a decent amount off. But let's keep going, of course. My shortest piece is here, and I want it a tad bit shorter. So what I'm gonna do is take a right here down to the ear, in front of the ear, right? Flatten that bad boy out. Flatten that out. I'm not gonna necessarily give myself curtain bangs, but yeah. Now let's blow dry it and see how it turned out.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Y'all, my hair was so oily before I started. That's why it's like, looks like it's sticking. Oh, I do have dry shampoo. Yes. All right, y'all. Oh, let's see. I feel like the ends need to be curled a little bit more. All right, y'all, let me scooch y'all down so y'all can see the layers a little bit better. Let's see. I'm trying to get y'all to see. This side's curled a little bit better so you can really see them. Hold on, let's see. Okay, hopefully y'all can see them a little bit better. Hopefully in the thumbnail I'll have it a little bit better so you guys can see. But yeah, y'all, quick, easy, simple. They almost like face framing layers too. But I love them. It literally looks so good. It took enough hair off of my body that I feel good. Like it's not super short and it's not long either. I feel like it looks really clean. And I feel like that's the main point. I don't want a big chop. I don't want to lose all my hair. And I thought about cutting it to here. So I'm proud of myself for that. So that's it. My hair looks so much healthier It looks so good and so healthy. I just can't. Y'all, there were some scraggles. I had to let them things go. This looks so good, y'all. I don't know if I'll ever go to a beautician again. And I haven't even dyed it. This is just, and my hair is oily. Like, I didn't even go wash my hair to straighten it. I used off the wet hair that I already did. And it looks so freaking good. I love it. I absolutely love it. Like a clean girl aesthetic. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.